Hey RDI, Jace here, your Live Well director, and February is Black History Month. But did you know it is also Mental Health Awareness Month? And that's where I come in. Hey, how you doing? You okay? Seasonal Affective Disorder, or SAD, is something that affects a lot of us in the colder months of the year. Symptoms include depression, low energy, apathy, and weight gain due to the lack of ability to get sunlight or to go outside. Here are some effective ways to fight against the sadness.
Get off your phone and do something. Phones are great and funny minute-long videos are the best, but have you ever felt a sense of achievement after spending hours looking at your phone? Dedicate time to being productive. Studies show that doing things like cleaning, your chores, and checking things off your list that have been on your to-do list for a long time give you a sense of control in your life, reducing your stress and anxiety. Another way to fight off SAD is by getting some sun when you can. Sunlight is sometimes rare to see in the winter, and for some, a little bit of sunlight can rejuvenate their energy. If this sounds like you, dedicate some time to dress warm and go outside when you can and get some good old vitamin D from your homie, the sun. It might be chilly out there, but that little bit of exercise can stimulate endorphins in your body that make you happy. Which leads to my third way to fight seasonal affective disorder, and that's through exercise. You knew this one was coming, but it's an easy one. One thing that happens during these colder months is we gain weight, which is totally fine, happens to pretty much everyone, especially during COVID when we're already inside anyway. But for some, that weight gain can affect us mentally, leading us to eat even more and stop us from doing productive things like working out because it's easier to eat food, and the food itself can even be comforting. Exercise gives you a sense of achievement, and once you finish a workout, you feel less guilty about spending time on those guilty pleasures like playing video games or watching TV.
Then it's the outro where it's like, okay. I hope I was able to teach you some things about seasonal affective disorder. It is not fun to be sad, and I hope that you learned some ways to fight against that this year if that is something that affects you personally. Be sure to check us out on our Live Well Facebook page. We have a ton of people on there. We love to share photos and activities and whatever we're doing at that time. So be sure to follow us on there and check us out on the RDI Weekly. That's all I had for you today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.